Hello everyone, this is Shom from INSYSSKY Softtech Private Limited. We are an Indian based company and we develop so many types of software. We are in this field for last 9 years. So here we are coming with trial of one software which is related to departmental store, but the same software can be used for so many types of other requirement actually. So this is the page where we log in. So I'm putting username and the password. This is just for trial. So this is the software actually. The first thing what we'd have to do in this software is to create the user. User can be administrator who can do everything, and user can be agents or users, simple users who cannot do all the things. They can do only the things which are assigned to them. And this software can be used in a desktop, only in a desktop, or it can be used over cloud. The database can be on cloud, or the database can be in a server, which server can be shared by so many other computers. And if we use only for one desktop, we can even back up the files every day whenever we need in this software. That you will see later on. Like for example, if I am in setting part of this software, you can see here backup. So whenever I click the backup, it will do the complete backup and it will go directly to the pen drive. Like here now it's saying that no disk is there just because I have not put any pen drive or something. If I put a pen drive here, the file will immediately go to the pen drive. So it's an amazing facility to keep all the data which is there in the computer or in the server in another disk. It can be a hard disk, it can be pen drive, whatever. I'm cancelling it. It could not be done only because pen drive is not there. So we can do some printings here. We can do some printings here. You can put user info here. You can add user. You can see all the user. You can delete user. You can change password. All those things can be done easily. Then you can change the theme of the software from any color to any color. So many themes are given here. Then you have backup facility, which I have shown. You can add vendor here, all types of vendor, their name, supplier name, their address, contact number, all the things will be there in this database, so you can see anytime. And also you can put product database. Whenever some database, some product, new product come, you can put the product code, then their type, what type of product is this, then you know your here VAT means the tax, actually what type of tax is that is there, then the code and everything will be there, what type of product. It can be defined in the store, so that whenever you will call it in any other part where it is required, it will directly take this data there. Now this is all about the setting portion, and one more button you can see here, it is close all. So if anything is there, if you click here, so it will be closed. You can log out from here also. And then let me show one more portion, that is purchase option. So here if you buy anything from a distributor, means from a vendor, you can enter it here, the challan number or the bill number, what is there, and what are the product, how many quantity, these, that, everything can be put here. What is the price, your buying price, everything can be put here, and it will go to the database, so that anytime you can see it, from which vendor you have purchased, what product, what is the price, everything you can see, what would be the tax things, and everything will be there. Then here it comes the vendor list, the vendor which you have made here in the setting. You can see the list, you can search it easily here. So here in this view stock, we can see the stock of each items. It can be thousands of items or whatever is there, you can see the stock of that. Then here you can see vendor distributors stock. So if you, for example, here all are selected, if you just do it, so you can see like summary from this distributor how much amount of things you have purchased till now. If you click here, it will again generate some invoice. Of course, for the first time it takes some time because it's a big data which is analyzing, so just wait for small time. And we can do all many types of things, you will understand later on. So here you can see what things we have purchased from them, what was the amount, everything you can see here from that guy, and bill detail, invoice detail, everything can be seen as a summary. So let me close it now. Then you have document search. You can search any bill. If you know the number or something, you can search from here. You can see the bill here, all the details. Then the payments, whatever, for example, if you see the distributor here, you can see what payments you have done here. So this is a very beautiful part of this software. If you see, if you click show, then you can see on which day how much money you have paid to that vendor, and you can see what is the grand total of the you should have paid and how much you have paid, how much is how much is remaining. You can find it easily. Now let's go to low stock. You can see the stock alerts easily, so that you can tell the vendor, you send me this item, that item. Then purchase return. For example, you purchase something from one vendor and you didn't find the quantity perfectly, or the material is bad, or you didn't need something, so you can return here, and when you return from here, all other parts will be updated easily. So you don't have to do manually. When you do here, everywhere it would be done. Then here you can see the return statements. Whatever return was done, you can see the summary here. Then here the multi-price thing. For example, something was there, its price was something, defined something in this software. You can change from old price to new price. You can do it easily without going to inside the software. Then you can see the stock report easily, what is there, what is not there, and you can order from here. And of course you can plan, you can keep the report, all those things. You have discount part here, where you can create new discount. If you want to give some sort of discount, how much percentage from which date to which date, what item, everything can be defined, so that whenever that item will be scanned, you can the discount will be calculated automatically. Here you can see the product wise discount which was given. You can see summary as well as detail. You can see the list per day basis, from which day to which day, what type of percentage of discount was given, everything can be seen. Even you can extend one offer, discount offer from for example, it was for 10 days, you want to extend it for 2 more days, you can do it from here instead of creating another offer. Same thing, you can do free offer here. In this thing, same like discount, but here you want to give some sort of offer, like if you purchase for X amount, you will get Y amount free. So those things can be done here easily. And same thing, you can see the list, you can see the product wise offers, as well as you can extend the offer easily. These are the expenditure in the shop or whatever is there. Some guys can do some sort of expenditure which is out of control. For example, so they purchased diesel for something, so you can put it here. And the main part is billing part. When some customer comes, you would have to bill them, so you can create new bill. So this is the part where you will bill the customer. So if you have a product, say it's a biscuit, so when you will scan with your barcode scanner, the barcode will come automatically. Or if you cannot do that, or some items does not have barcode, you can put the product code there. Some code should be there so that you can find it from the database which you have put before. Then you put the, whenever you will put this thing, automatically one pop-up will come where you will put the quantity, and the money will automatically be calculated, and you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever numbers of items and whatever numbers of quantity, all bills will be calculated. You can click on this part, pay, then the bill will be generated. You can print it. There will be a small printer beside you, low cost printer. The print will come out. You can give it to the customer and they can go out, or if some restaurant or something like this is there, they can eat there easily with that, by showing that bill. Or they can pay, of course they can pay afterward also. Now in this part you can see from these date, for example, whatever you put from X date to Y date, you can find what was done during that time. I'm changing the year for now, so just 1 minute, because it's a big data, so it's a very big data, so it takes a bit of time. So it will show day wise, time wise, quantity, grand total, how much cash, how much by card, what was the adjustment. Every report will come here, so that you don't have to see anywhere else. Sold items, you can give the date, from which date to which date, then you can click on find. I have given a long date, so it's a big report. Of course you generally will not put like this, like here it will show Horlicks on particular day, how many, those things will be shown. So here in the VAT report, where we have written VAT as per India standard, so it can be anything else. Here it will show the report regarding the tax. So let me put something like 2011. Okay, if I find, it will show all the details, how many tax was done or something like that. And even what you can do, you can save this report in Excel file. Here is the option. You can save it in Excel file. You can see it. No tension of filing the tax to government. Those are very easy. You can find it easily. You don't have to type or do manual job. All the details will be given from here. This part, sale return. If one customer purchased something and he wants to return and you want to take it back, you can do it easily by his bill number, date, and what product, everything. You return it, give back the money to him. It will be done in all in the billing part without your manual intervention. This is the new customer database. So if one customer wants to put the database with you so that you can give some sort of discount, or you want to keep the database, you can do it easily here. Same way, this is the product search. If you want to, you could not find some product, you want to see how much product is there, you just put the product code here and just search it. You will see all the details, product details, stock detail, what discount is there for that product, what offer is there, multiple price, everything you can see here. One very important thing is there in the new bill option. If you see, if you are creating one bill for someone and by chance he tells that I want to buy some more things from your shop, so he can go. Now you can hold the bill here very easily. So when you hold the bill, you can serve another customer who was behind him. You can serve him, keep the bill, get the money, and when the guy who's whose bill was on hold, when he will come back, again you can open from this part. Even there are open hold button here, and there is an option where you can see all the hold things, hold bills, and you can open that. Again, you know, recreate whatever addition, deletion, whatever you want to do, you can do, and you can delete the hold bills from here. This is very important because especially in supermarket or some any other type of shop or restaurant, sometimes people come with some idea, suddenly they go because some other idea has come to them, and they can come later on. So for that thing, hold is a very good option. So mostly we have covered almost complete area. You can see by using the barcode scanner or manually you can put the product code, you can completely control the whole stock management end to end, and all types of reporting, customer, tax, how much was sold, how much stock has come in, all those types of reporting would be done easily. So this is a great software for any company. Thank you very much for listening to us. Thanks a lot.